Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be doing a quick video for you. It's a jerk chicken fried rice with some leftover jerk chicken I had on the fridge. I didn't want to throw it out, so I put together this quick meal. I'm gonna list the ingredients in the description below. Let's get straight into it. So now I'll just be adding the eggs into the pot. This is my shorthand version of the jerk chicken fried rice. My shorthand version, as I said. I love to cook, but I'm also a lazy cook, so I like doing short-handed things. So as you can see, there's a little pot just in the right hand corner there. It's the rice. I literally just cook the rice. I do not cook my rice for my fried rice overnight. It's not something that I do. I know that's how most tutorials that you see with fried rice videos, that's what they say, you know, leave it overnight. But that's not how I do my fried rice. Here I am just doing the egg scrambled. Then I'll be adding all the other ingredients to the pot. As I said, I will list the ingredients down below. Here I'm adding some mixed vegetables. These are frozen vegetables that I had on the freezer. I literally just took them out, boiled the kettle, poured some hot water on them to melt the ice that was in them, drained them for a couple minutes, and I added them to the pot. Here I'm adding some red peppers, some red bell peppers, and half of a scallion. I use the top half, that's the white bit. That's the bit I added to the pot. So in my pot I've got the egg, the red bell pepper, and some mixed vegetables. That looks so good already. I like seeing all these colors. They blend so well together. Now I'm adding the jerk chicken. It's a chicken breast. All I did was just use my hands to just tear the chicken apart to separate it from the wing, because I jerked the quarters. If you watch my jerk chicken video, you will see that I jerked four quarters, so it was 2 breast and 2 leg and thigh. So this is just a leftover chicken breast that I use my hand to separate. That looks so good, and my kitchen was smelling so good. The jerk chicken has a bit of sauce left on there, so all the spices and everything. So this does not need any other seasoning, because the jerk chicken has already seasoned the pot. Now I'm adding the rice. As I said, I literally just cooked the rice. You can see that there's steam coming from it. I'll just add it just a little bit at a time to incorporate everything, all the flavors and everything. I'm making sure to get everything from the pot. I do not like waste. Normally when I'm doing my fried rice, I normally add some soy sauce, but as this is a fried rice, a jerk chicken fried rice with leftover jerk chicken that already had all the spices and seasoning and everything on there, and it was already brown, it's added the brown color to the rice, so I did not need to add any soy sauce on this occasion, but I normally add soy sauce when I'm doing my fried rice. Now here I'll add some spinach to the pot. I love spinach. I do use it a lot in my salads, and when I'm making my sandwiches, when I'm scrambling eggs, I do use spinach a whole lot. So I've added some spinach to the pot, mixing everything. Be sure to give that a good mix. You literally could add a whole bag of spinach and it's literally like you've added nothing. It just melts away. I do love me some spinach though. I said that already, I know, but I just want you to know I love spinach. So this is the other half of the scallion or spring onion. So I used the top half earlier, which was the white bit, and now I've added the bottom bit, which is the green part of the spring onion slash scallion. It does add some extra flavor to the pot. This is about finished. So I literally just cover the pot and just leave it to heat through, and leave everything to be infused with all the flavor from the jerk and all the different peppers and everything that's been added to the pot. Thank you again guys for watching. Please do come back. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.